Hola de nuevo. Yuzuru, omedeto.
Gracias, Barcelona.
Yuzu es un conquistador nato, como lo vemos. Es un patinador y una persona estupenda y solo le quería desear suerte, la más suerte del mundo para sus competiciones, que es un placer de que haya estado aquí con nosotros y que nos ha hecho disfrutar del patinaje. From Japan, gold medalist, Yuzuru Hanyu.
What if this world could become alive, and everything we knew would vanish in our sight? Still I would close my eyes. Your voice travels wherever I go. What if this world could become alive? If any moment you could faint out of sight, drifting through the hours of time, yet all your memories breathe inside me. A treasure to be found, so I try to defend this lie. I silently surrender and leave this world behind.
Senyores i senyors, el medallista d'or campió del Grand Prix del Japó. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold medalist and Grand Prix champion from Japan, Yuzuru Hanyu. I tot seguit, senyores i senyors, tots els patinadors i parelles participants en aquesta gala d'exhibició faran una coreografía conjunta de comiat preparada por Patrick Martel. Y a continuación, todos los patinadores y parejas participantes en esta gala de exhibición realizarán una coreografía conjunta de despedida preparada por Patrick Martel. And now, ladies and gentlemen, all skaters and pairs taking part in this exhibition gala will perform the same farewell choreography prepared by Patrick Martel.
My gift is my son, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody that this is your song. It may be quite simple now that it's done. Hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. Sat on the roof and I kicked off the moss. Listen these voices, well, they got me quite cross. But the sun's been kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Well, the thing is, what I really need, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever that I put down in words. Oh, wonderful life. Now you're in the world. Hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words. How wonderful. But the sun's been kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Well, the thing is, what I really need, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever And you can
Senyores i senyors, aquí acaba aquesta gala d'exhibició i també la final del Gran Prix de patinatge artístic de la International Skating Union 2014-2015, Barcelona. Han estat 4 dies sobre el millor patinatge artístic del món i un altre esdeveniment esportiu de primer nivell mundial fet a la ciutat de Barcelona. Volem agrair-vos a tots la vostra assistència i també als vostres ànims a tots els patinadors. Moltes gràcies a tots i fins ben aviat! Ladies and gentlemen, the exhibition gala for the International Skating Union Grand Prix of Figure Skating has ended. This is the perfect closing to 4 days with the top skaters and pairs in the world and to another international top sports event